Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Quattroporte. The new Maserati Quattroporte stands out from the crowd. Pininfarina's most recent creation is the ideal synthesis of luxury and sportiness and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, fog lights. Your new ride is just a phone call away.